Want to find your saved audios on Facebook? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to locate them easily. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the Reels section. Now, look for the Saved option inside the Reels area and tap on it. Inside the Saved section, if you see an option called Saved Audio, tap on it to view all the audio clips you've saved from Reels or videos. But if you don't see saved audio on your screen, don't worry. This feature is not available for everyone yet. Facebook is still rolling it out, so it only appears on selected accounts. In that case, you can still access your saved items through the Saved section and check other available tabs like Posts or Reels. Once the feature becomes available on your account, you'll be able to easily find and reuse your favorite sounds when creating Reels. And that's it. You now understand how saved audios work on Facebook and why the option may not appear for some users. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.